When designing and testing automation frameworks, it's useful to have access to various demo websites that mimic real-world applications and offer a range of functionalities. Below is a list of some useful demo websites categorized by the types of applications they represent. These sites can be used for building and testing automation frameworks across different types of testing, including UI, API, performance, and security testing. 1. E-commerce websites. E-commerce platforms are complex, offering various functionalities such as product catalogs, shopping carts, checkout processes, and user management. These are great for testing end-to-end scenarios. Automation Practice, http://automationpractice.com/index.php, a demo e-commerce site built specifically for testing automation frameworks. It includes various scenarios such as user registration, search functionality, and the checkout process. Testing Focus, UI testing, end-to-end testing, API testing. Sauce Demo, https://www.saucedemo.com. This is another popular site designed for automation testing of e-commerce functionalities. It offers different user roles, inventory systems, and checkout processes. Testing Focus, functional testing, cross-browser testing, load testing. Magento Open Source Demo, https://magento.com, requires sign-up, a comprehensive demo of the Magento e-commerce platform. It includes complex features like product management, multiple payment gateways, and advanced search functionality. Testing Focus, UI testing, API testing, performance testing. 2. Banking and financial websites. These websites are useful for testing complex transaction workflows, user authentication, and data security. Parabank, http://parabank.parasoft.com/parabank/index.htm, a demo banking website that offers functionalities such as account creation, fund transfers, bill payments, and loan applications. Testing Focus, API testing, security testing, performance testing. Altoro Mutual, http://demo.testfire.net. This is a demo online banking application for testing web application security and authentication. Testing Focus, security testing, UI testing, API testing. Orange HRM, https://open-source-demo.orangehrmlive.com. While this is an HR management system, it can be used for testing secure logins, employee data management, and different user roles. Testing Focus, security testing, performance testing, UI testing. 3. Social media websites. These websites allow you to test interactions like posting, commenting, and social networking, which are typical of social media platforms. Social network testing, https://socialnetwork.demoselenium.org, a demo social media site specifically created for Selenium testing. It offers functionalities like posting, commenting, and liking, similar to popular social media platforms. Testing Focus, UI testing, cross-browser testing, API testing. TodoMVC, https://todomvc.com. While not a full social media platform, TodoMVC is a good choice for testing single-page applications, SPAs. It features a simple to-do list that can be extended for testing purposes. Testing Focus, UI testing, SPA testing, JavaScript testing. 4. Content management systems, CMS. CMS platforms often have complex admin panels and front-end interfaces, useful for testing content creation, media management, and user roles. WordPress Demo, https://demo.wpjobmanager.com, a sandbox WordPress site with plugins like WP Job Manager for extended testing scenarios. Testing Focus, UI testing, plugin testing, API testing. Joomla Demo, https://demo.joomla.org, a demo site for Joomla, another popular CMS. It's useful for testing backend admin functionalities, content management, and user roles. Testing Focus, UI testing, cross-browser testing, API testing. 5. Travel booking websites. Travel booking sites typically involve complex workflows including user registration, search and filter functionalities, and payment gateways. Blaze Demo, https://blazedemo.com, a straightforward travel booking website demo. It includes features like searching for flights, selecting flights, and checking out. Testing Focus, UI testing, API testing, performance testing. PHP Travels, https://www.phptravels.net/demo, a full-fledged travel booking platform offering hotel bookings, flight bookings, and car rentals. The platform allows access to both admin and user panels for comprehensive testing. Testing Focus, UI testing, API testing, load testing. 6. API testing and JSON placeholder websites. These are useful for testing REST APIs, data-driven testing, and schema validation. JSON placeholder, https://jsonplaceholder.typicode. com/, a simple fake REST API for testing and prototyping. It includes various endpoints to simulate CRUD operations. Testing Focus, API testing, data-driven testing, mock testing. Aricures, https://aricures.in, another API for testing RESTful web services. It provides a range of endpoints for user management. Testing Focus, API testing, load testing, schema validation. RESTful Booker, https://restful-booker.herokuapp.com, a hotel booking API designed for testing purposes. It includes functionalities like authentication, room management, and booking management. Testing Focus, API testing, load testing, security testing. 7. Performance and load testing websites. Websites designed for evaluating performance under various loads. Hitbin, http://httpbin.org, a simple HTTP request and response service, ideal for load testing, HTTP methods, and redirects. Testing Focus, performance testing, load testing, API testing. Blazemeter, https://blazemeter.com. Although Blazemeter itself is a tool for performance testing, they provide various demo applications for testing load and performance scenarios. Testing Focus, load testing, performance testing. 8. Security testing websites. These sites are designed to help in testing common security vulnerabilities such as SQL injection, XSS, and CSRF. DVWA, Damn Vulnerable Web Application, http://www.dvwa.co.uk, a PHP/MySQL web application that is purposely vulnerable. It's an excellent resource for learning about web vulnerabilities and how to test them. Testing focus, security testing, vulnerability assessment. WebGoat, https://owasp.org/www-project-webgoat, a deliberately insecure application maintained by OWASP. It helps in teaching security testing methods. Testing focus, security testing, penetration testing, ethical hacking. Mutility, http://www.irongeek.com/i. PHP, page equals mutility/OWASP, mutility, 2, project, another deliberately vulnerable web application designed for security testing. It covers a wide range of vulnerabilities. Testing focus, security testing, vulnerability scanning, penetration testing. 9. Miscellaneous websites. These websites don't fit into the above categories but are useful for testing other functionalities. The Internet, https://the-internet.herokuapp.com, a collection of mini-apps and functionalities for testing various web interactions like dropdowns, file uploads, login forms, and more. Testing focus, UI testing, functional testing, end-to-end testing. UI Test Automation Playground, https://www.uitestingplayground.com. This site provides simple examples for common UI automation tasks, such as finding elements by XPath, dealing with dynamic IDs, and managing shadow DOM. Testing focus, UI testing, XPath/CSS selectors testing, element interaction. Heroku Web Testing, https://testpage.herokuapp.com, a simple page designed to test various HTTP methods and redirects. Testing focus, HTTP testing, functional testing, API testing. These demo websites provide a wide range of scenarios and functionalities that can help in designing robust test automation frameworks. Whether you are focusing on UI, API, performance, or security testing, these resources offer the necessary breadth to test various aspects of a web application effectively.